Hi, Elena and Elena's parents. My name is Mrs. Foster, and I'm excited to be on this epic journey with you as your teacher. I wanted to start off and just introduce myself. Once again, my name is Holly Foster. This will be my first year teaching with Epic, and I'm so excited to have a student like you on my roster. I was looking at your student data report to see how you did last year, and I must say, Elena, you are one exceptional student. I don't know if you realize this or not, but your progression just in last year was exceptional. You probably progressed about 80% more than most of your classmates. And that says a huge thing about you. That lets me know as your teacher that you are one motivated young lady. And if you will just put your mind to anything, you can accomplish it. And I cannot wait to work with you. So I was looking at the rest of the student data report just to see where might be an area that I can help strengthen you in. And a place that I would like to start would be concerning geometry and measurement, especially I want to specifically look at estimating and converting measurements, taking things from, we could go from feet to miles, we can go from ounces to gallons to quarts, different things like that. I think that is one area that you could use a little bit of strengthening in just to make your progression grow even more exponentially this year. So what I'd like to do is before we meet in person, I have some links that I have added to an email that I'm sending you. I'd like for you to take a look at it. It's just another teacher who's kind of done a great way of giving us a word problem that involves units. And he kind of works you through how to learn how to convert those customary units one from another to get the right answer that you need. And then when we meet in person, I am going to have with me some measuring tools like a tape measure, or I will have a measuring cup, and I'm going to actually give you some real world word problems where I'm going to have something at the library where we are meeting that you will have to measure. You will have to decide what type of measuring tool that you're going to use. Do that measurement and see if you can find out the answer to the word problem that I give you. Before we meet that day at the library, as you are watching the videos where the other teacher gives some explanations and some example word problems, if you can start creating your own word problem using customary units, I want you to go ahead and start brainstorming that. And so that when you and I meet at the library, I'm going to have you, after I give you my word problems, I want you to challenge me with your own creation of a complex word problem. I want you to give me multiple steps of ways that I might need to convert something and challenge me to see if I can get the same answer as you. I hope you find this as a fun way to learn and just a good way to get this concept under control. And I cannot wait to meet you, Elena. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in about a week. Bye.